Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we have something from Arabian Oud, which is Khalta Sharqia. This is the box. I'm going to open it and this would be my first impression and review about Arabian Oud Khalta Sharqia. I have heard good things about it. It's a mukhalat. It is a mix of oud and rose and amber. I'm not sure. So let's open it. Let's open the box. Sometimes it's difficult to open these covers. I think these covers should be made with some paper rather than plastic, just to avoid some plastic and having a green planet. I really believe in it. So this is the box. The outside of the box, Arabian Oud Khalta Sharqia, and it's 3 ml concentrated perfume oil. Let's open its box. Ooh, I really love the box. Really nice. Let's wipe few things over here and I'm going to show you now. So this is the front of the box. You can see really lovely engraved design, very nice pattern. It's kind of feels like wooden. I think it's not wooden, but it's plastic. This is the back side and this is the front. I really love this. So let's open it. I'm opening it from the wrong side, or okay, so this is how it is going to open. So this is the bottle. This is the bottle inside it. Very lovely bottle, Arabian Oud. Let's get it out and try to apply it on my skin. So this is the bottle and this is the box, Khalta Sharqia. I'm not sure what this is the meaning of it, but I would put it over here when I read it online. I think it's in Arabic. So let's first sniff this. Ooh. Oh, this is really refreshing kind of. Okay, so this is in a totally different direction. I think it has Cambodian oud. It is kind of sweet. It is kind of gourmandish, sweet, spicy, light spicy, Cambodian Oud mukhalat. There's, I think there's some fennel seed or something like that. It's a really refreshing kind of gourmand. It is not dark chocolate kind of gourmand. It has some, Cambodian Oud caramel kind of feel to it, which Cambodian Oud or mostly have, and I think it is really yes, it has oud in it with some spices or spices that are gourmandish kind of feel, and really refreshing. It is made for summers. I think I really enjoy mukhallats or oils that are made for summer and you can wear it in almost every weather. So this is one of it. It is not dry, it is wet sweet, light, relaxing, gourmand, a kind of feel to its spices with some, refreshing spices like cardamom or fennel seeds or something like that. Yes, it has some dark, light anamilic kind of oudi note inside it at the background. Oh, this is a very lovely oud oil or mukhalat. Very lovely use of oud and spices and sweetness, and I think this is very lovely creation from Arabian Oud. If you can get this one, Khalta Sharqia, I think you should, if you like Arabian Oud or you like spicy gourmandish kind of attars, I think you should get this one. This is really, really nice. I think it is going to be getting out of stock soon. Yes, it is a nice one. So from my perspective, now I'm going to give it rating. Really, really lovely oud oil. Really, really lovely use of oud in this mukhalat mixture. Mukhalat means the mixture of 2 or 3 oils. So I think this is a very, very lovely blend. 3 ml. I'm going to rate it now. From scent profile, I'm going to give it 8 or 9. So I would keep it at 8 or 8.5. So it has a very, very different and very lovely scent profile. It reminds me of Rehan al Oud or Rue al Oud from Abdul Samad al Qureshi. I think it is close to that, but really, really lovely oil. I can't hold myself sniffing it again and again. Very lovely, very beautiful. I think it is kind of romantic. I would put it in a category of romantic mukhalats. So if you want a romantic mukhalat, you should get this one, Khalta Sharqia. Okay, so I'm giving it 9 out of 10 for scent profile. Very, very lovely blend. And performance, I think performance would be 7 or 8. It is not going to be very, very powerful. It is going to stay close to your skin, okay? But I don't mind if something this good can stay close to my skin. I would really love to wear it. So this is my review about Khalta Sharqia from Arabian Oud. After many, I think, reviews, I really enjoyed reviewing this one. This one is, I think, one of the best from Arabian Oud. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this review. If you have any comments or you have used this or you want to buy this, you can post your ideas in the comments section below. Make sure you like, subscribe or share this video. Most of the people, I think, they don't put the like button or they don't click it. Try to like it. I would really love reading your comments. So that's it. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.